Hey guys, I'm Ansley Makena, and today I'm going to do an eyebrow tutorial, so keep watching. If you can't tell, they look really bad, so I'm just taking it and taking off the hairs. So after I do it, I'm just gonna do that to this side and to the middle, and then I'll show you everything else that I do for my eyebrows. So first, I'm taking my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown, and then I'm just taking this angle brush. I need a new one, but whatever, we're just going with this one. And then I'm just dipping the brush into it. Getting some. And then I start off doing the arch, and then I do the bottom and the front. I'll show you what I do.
All that I do.
Okay, so this is what I have so far, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to my other eyebrow, and then I'll just show you how I outline them. Okay, so now that I've filled out the other one too, I'm just gonna take my Fit Me concealer, the one that I always use, in shade 15, and then I'm taking this flat concealer brush. Well, I use it for concealer, and then I'm going to draw a line on the bottom and then the top and blend it out. So I'll show you how I do that. Okay, so I'm just gonna take concealer on the concealer brush and kind of just put it under, and then I take what's left and put it above and just outline it, and then I just blend it out. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the same thing to this eye, and then basically that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Here are the finished look of my eyebrows. This is just how I do them every day. I do typically put a gel on them, but currently she's lost, so we're skipping that step. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, all that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I'll be alright, just go with